Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Hanover, local and long distance movers near me. Even if it's within the same state, relocation is considered long distance if it covers more than 100 miles. An interstate move occurs when you relocate within the same state, while an interstate move occurs when you relocate across state lines. For local, statewide, and interstate moves, employ our moving services. We have a solid working connection with the people in charge of the moving process, both local and federal. We are also concerned about our customers' safety and security of their possessions, so we put insurance coverage to cover hazards before, during, and after the move. We have the most responsible drivers and movers who can safely transport your possessions to your new home. You don't have to be concerned about us deceiving you since we offer affordable services. Local relocations usually are less expensive than long distance removals, thus, we keep our charges reasonable between $30 and $40 an hour to fit our clients' pockets. If you use our local moving services, we can make sure you get the most value for your money with the help of our certified and honest movers. In addition, we know our way around big cities and congested areas, so we can guarantee the safe and efficient delivery of your belongings. Our local professional movers are happy to help you outline the relocation process and answer any questions you may have about your local moves. If you need more proof, ask around. The locals will be glad to provide you their glowing reviews about our services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hanover moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.